In this video, I'll show you how to create an expense report in Expensify. First, sign into your Expensify account and open the Reports section. From there, click New Report to start creating a new expense report. Next, enter a name for your report and choose any required settings, such as the report type or workspace if applicable. Then, save the report to continue. After that, add your expenses by clicking Add Expense. You can manually enter each expense, upload receipts, or import transactions if they're already available in your account. Review each expense to make sure the details are accurate. Now, organize your report by assigning expenses to the correct categories and adding any notes or descriptions if needed. Continue adding expenses until your report is complete. Finally, review the report for accuracy and click Submit if you're ready to send it for approval, or save it as a draft to finish later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an expense report in Expensify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.